Hi guys, welcome back to the Alpha Crypto channel where I talk about cryptocurrencies, crypto airdrop, crypto news and everything in the crypto space. Guys, I make a lot of videos every day where I review token. I talk about solid project, shitcoins and everything you guys want me to talk about. I just made a video on some new updates on SafeMoon. I also talked about Project Oins, Block Farm and so many projects going on right now. If you go on CoinMarketCap, like I always do, I review tokens. If you go on CoinMarketCap, you are going to see that this silver token is actually doing massive number. This token has pumped 10,000% in the last 24 hours, which makes it one of the biggest gainers today. So I'll quickly be reviewing this token to see whether it's a token worth investing in, a token that we should have in our watch, or is a token that we should completely ignore if it is a scam. Without wasting much of your time, let's go straight to reviewing this token. Guys, one thing I want you guys to note is that everything I do here is for educational purpose. This is not a financial advice. Make sure you do your own research before you invest in any project. Silver token is currently on the watch list of 1,556 people, which is quite small, and it's currently ranked 4,160 on Binance. On CoinMarketCap. It has not been audited, or even if it is audited, it is not. You can't find any audit on CoinMarketCap. And there's an official website attached here. The trading volume is over $694 million, which is not verified, so we don't know if this is real or not. And it has a 24 hours trading volume of $156,000, which has gone up 49,673. Honestly, these figures don't correlate and they don't make sense to me. This looks like probably a glitch or a manipulation, because this happens from time to time on CoinMarketCap, where you just see a particular project, the price will just skyrocket for no reason. It could be a glitch or something of that nature. Look at this. If you look at this chart was actually down and boom, just skyrocketed sometime today. Exactly. So the price also moved with the price actually increased, because before then this was just $300 and boom, this token just went very high. I don't know how long this token has been existing. I don't even know whether it's a new token, but I think this token will be a new token, because looking at it 1 month ago, you still cannot find anything on it. But then I just noticed it and I said, okay, let me review this token. So silver token said, who is silver era token? Silver token is a unique service that allows individuals to make payment from the comfort of their home in fiat currencies or cryptocurrencies to multiple online and offline stores. Interesting. Silver token is multifunctional platform which allows each participant to keep money in a multi-currency online wallet, buy and sell currency on the exchange, invest money, and get a huge benefit in convenient currency. So basically that is what they say they do. That's what they say they offer. I will not waste time. Anything I say here is for educational purpose. This is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial expert. Please make sure you do your own research before you invest in any project. I'll be reviewing the official website to get better idea of the project. Then I'll go straight to BSC scan and token sniffer to verify if this project is a scam or not. So from here you can see that there is a white paper. This token is built on the Binance Smart Chain under platform, collectibles, DeFi and smart contracts. They have a Telegram group, and the white paper is actually on CoinMarketCap. So let's check the official website. Well, this official website doesn't look special. No, it's just basic, just like any normal official. Not every normal, it's just like a normal website. There's nothing wow about this website. But then they said their token economics, liquidity 4%, they give others 2%, they're going to burn 1%, and the team will get 1%. Okay, token allocation, developers will get 1%, team will get 2%. This thing just looks normal, right? So in the roadmap, they are in the second phase of their roadmap. Listing, PancakeSwap, marketing campaign, this CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. Okay, they are in this phase. I think they just listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. Many influencers, promotional, various ads and stuff like that. This token looks new as far as I'm concerned. Then you now have this final place where they now tell you about, if you want to contact us, our partners, the developers, Clara, Indra, Ali J, Danielson, Rohili, Q, Darcy. Like, look at this. So they did a, guys. Well, I'm going to move and actually check if I can get any more information about this token. Okay, they have plans for charity. The document, the white paper is here. Oh, it has not been audited. It said audit coming soon. Audit, silver token audit coming soon. Let me read. So why would they be auditing this token? Guys, I'm not going to waste much time here. The website, I don't really, it's just nothing much, nothing wow about the website. But then I'm not going to judge the token because of the website. I will still move straight to BSC scan to actually see if I can get any red flag and any information that I need to get. Okay, from BSC scan, people are actually buying this token. 9 minutes, 8 minutes, 8 minutes. A lot of people have invested in this token. Let me check the price. This token is just way undervalued, worth some pennies. If this token is a good project, if you buy it now, I swear you're going to make huge amount of money. But you need to be very careful to be sure that this is not a scam, and that is why I need to check BSC scan and token sniffer. So I'm going to check if there are any comments on BSC scan. For now, there's just one comment, and the person is asking a question not in English, so I cannot understand what the person is trying to say. Let me check the number of people holding this token. If they are up to 5,000, then after that I will now do the last thing. I'll go on token sniffer to check the liquidity, every other information to know if this token is worth investing in or not. That'll be the last thing I'll do. So let me just quickly check and give you guys my final verdict, right? Because I cannot assume. Okay, the token is currently held by 6,312 people. For a new token, that's not bad. 6,312. Let me check the contract address. Let me see if we can get more information about this token. While I'm trying to do that, I'll go on token sniffer and still check this token. I'm not going to be wasting time with this video. I'll just paste the contract address, go on token sniffer, check the token, and give you guys my final verdict, right? Because right now I cannot call this project a scam. You know, I've not seen any major red flag, even though personally I don't really like the design of the website. Well, I wouldn't call that a red flag. Token is relatively new, but then let me see. Okay, from token sniffer is giving this 20/100. Token is sellable. The buying fee is 11%, selling fee is 11%. Okay, they have a verified contract source, no prior similar token. They said the source does not contain a maximum transaction amount. That means the source code contains a function which can set a maximum transaction amount, which makes it risky for honeypot. This means they can do it in such a way that you might not be able to sell off if they want to, and that is actually very risky. You could make so much and you want to sell off, and you will not be able to sell off because the source code contains a function which sets a maximum transaction limit. One. Number two, say the source code contains a function which can modify the transaction fee. So this transaction fee is not fixed, it can be adjusted, which is another bad sign. Then the number three, they said the contract contains ownership functionality and the owner is not renounced, which allows the creator to modify the contract behavior. For example, disabling selling, change fees, or mint new token. The owner still has a lot of influence on this token. This liquidity is very low, very small. 101 BNB is actually low as far as I'm concerned. Anything less than 1000 BNB is not good enough. And they said all other things. They said the wallet contains substantial amount of this token, which could have large impact, which could be a sign of a dumping or a rug pull. If a wallet contains large amount of the token. If the person just removes his money, every other person will get dumped. Let me check the orders, guys. So from what I've gotten from Token Sniffer, this token is not the kind of perfect token for you to invest in. It is quite dangerous. It comes with a lot of risk. So I advise you to do your own research and see if this is what you want to invest your money in, because I think there are many tokens out there that you can actually put into consideration. I don't see anything special about this silver token, but then this is not a financial advice. This is for educational purpose. I've just highlighted the stuff you need to take cognizance of. I'm trying to see if I can get the people holding the token, but it's not loading. So most likely, if this doesn't come up, this is where I'm going to end this video. Bye for now. Okay, the current address is out. So what is holding 7% of this token? 7 Pancake Swap. This one is Bond 16%. This one is 7%. 2%. Wow. Excuse me, guys. I've yawned like 4 times, but basically, this is how I'll stop this video. All the information you need to get that could make you very careful, then you need to know that that is all on Token Sniffer. Somebody gave a comment that excellent, Silver has now been registered with a legal regulation in Indonesian company, that legit company, and on the website include the address of Silver office. You can check the white paper in the website silver.finance. Do your own research. I think it's an Indonesia token, but then guys, basically I'll still tell you be careful with this token. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video.